Yeah, this is 5 minutes later after using a wire brush. Needs a little cleaning. I need a little bit of stripper for the inside. Yeah, so I got a little stainless sieve from an old coffee machine and cut it out here for the grill. But now I've added these grommets here, this grommet here, see? That I use for the boats and all that, is in here in the headlamps. And I was thinking, how can I enhance this a little bit more? And what I'm going to do is try and pop this little baby. Oops. Try again. Can you see this? I gotta turn it around. Oh, they're very dainty. Into there like that. Other way around. Right? And there we go. Look how lovely that'll look. That'll be a class act once that is in. Oh, there we go. Perfect. So I'll just zoom in so you can see it. Oh, other way. Isn't that classy? Every little bit. I get a new idea every little while. So this is the latest. Yeah, so I put the front bumper on, the two headlights, the little emblem there, and the aerial, and the window frame. And here we have the back bumper. See, there you go. I might even put a little dashboard in it, but I'm kind of custom making this as I go along. As you can see, it looks totally different to the original Dinky. So it needs a little bit more work and a little bit of painting in that, and we'll see what we come up with. Yes, and this is my Bentley S2, I think it is, a 194 Bentley. Dinky Toys Bentley S2 194, and it was missing all sorts, so I put bit of an old coffee strainer piece in here as a grill, two grommets in it, and then the glass tops for lights, a little top of the pop rivet for the bumper, I mean for the crest there, a nail for the aerial. This is just pieces of tin made up for the bumpers because the bumpers were missing. I just felt it wasn't worth putting too much money into it. It was a real wreck. But I will most likely paint the license plate black and put some little red headlights in it yet. But for all and purposes, my custom job is finished. It's only a matter of a couple of minutes now, and it's all finished up. There we go. We'll turn it this way. I got the grommets and then the glass rivets in the headlights, a sieve from a coffee machine, pop rivet, bit of copper wire for the windscreen, pin for the aerial, tin for the bumpers, they were all missing. And now I painted in the back red headlights, and we have the two ladies being taken for a Sunday outing in their car. So, fitting finish for the Bentley.